Umintri rang ba kajala u Conrad ki sangma hagakat santrik yayong ula plipat ba yaka prime hub hapendeng lawar Nongstoin bat ong baka sorkar kadon yaka jingthu ban bu yakini ki prime hub hakaleng kajala khnang ban la ban kintiu yaka kamai kaji bat kayo akan jong ki nongshong snong khamtam hakithan nongkendong kadon kalat kabakraw hakithan nongkendong jong kajala kidon ki jingklan ba pero per kiba ki brio jongi kidon ha ka jingpen mi ekijat mar ba bonjan Henry omdan jikal shan ban pentebet eki ne ban penbyang eki kor technology ban kre ban song bat penyo eki yo ki han ki babyang ulaong ukon rat ulaong ru bakari ka prime hum ka badang plit mai kan long ka jaka ai jingi kai pentebet bat jingkal shan nakabentai ki kinthei ki nongram bat ki samla jong ka than ya kani ka jingte ka basan point khandai puar klur tingka hapendeng lawar on penyai da pendeng lawar integrated village cooperative society IVCS kani ka pen iru ya ka jingpen de jingmo jong sarkar jala ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kan ka bayalam de ki nongshong snong batling ba ka jinga troilang kani ka prime hub lakmi lenti bakan ai jingmen to ya palat lai ha char sans pa ngot ki nong rap hakathan bat ka ban yarap shibun ban kintiu ya ka jingla penmi iki maram bat ka jing penyo iki yo bakhambyang ha kani ka jingalang layadon lang ru u MLA ka Nongstoin uba Gabriel Walang MLA ka Rambrai RG Moment ki officer ka district na lor kiway.
First of all, I congratulate NBMA and the entire team for successfully completing this project and today having inaugurated this very important infrastructure which will help the people. As you are aware, the objective of Prime and the objective of Prime Hub is to create livelihood for the people. It is as simple as that. We have always believed that there is tremendous opportunity in our rural areas. There are different strengths that our people have. There are different sectors where different products can be created. The problem is that there is no system to support them. There is no system to train them. There is no system to provide them with technology, with packaging, and with market accessibility. We are hoping that the Prime Hub that has been inaugurated today will act as a center where our farmers, our women, our youth, they can come, they can get training, they can learn to produce different products, they can be supported financially, and they are able to create different products which can then be sold in different parts of the state and different parts of the country. Please remember that this Prime Hub is yours. It's not government. This is for you, for the people. The success of this center will depend on you, on how much you will use it. And the center may not be perfect from day one. We may need to learn, we may need to adapt, we may need to improve. We will do it. With your guidance, with your suggestions, we will change and we will improve things. But as I said, for this to succeed, it cannot be a government-run center. It has to be a center which is owned and run by the community, by the people. Only then will this center be successful. Please use this center. This is for you. I'm sure that many people will get livelihood from this center. I wish all of you the very best. I wish the team from Prime the very best. I also encourage our Deputy Commissioner and other officials to ensure that support is given to this Prime Hub. Departments are asked to come and give their helping hand, whether it's agriculture, whether it's veterinary, whether it is food processing, whether it's skill training, whether it's entrepreneurship. Until unless all of these different sectors and departments come together, we will not be able to succeed. I wish all of you once again the very best. I thank the Honorable MLA who has taken special interest to ensure that this center comes up at the earliest. Without his support, without his guidance, this project would not have been possible. So I thank the local MLA. Once again, I thank all of you who are present out here. Wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much.